welcome to our Sex Toy 101. If you're new here, I'm Anne, and in this class, we'll be sharing everything you need to know about masturbators. You will learn what a masturbator is, how to use it, benefits, and some beginner-friendly recommendations. But before we get started, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support and engagement help us continue our mission of breaking the stigma around sexual wellness. Let's begin. Lesson 1. What is a masturbator? A masturbator is a sex toy designed to stimulate the penis. It comes in two main variations. First is the closed-ended masturbator, and the second type is the open-ended masturbator. The closed-ended masturbator is sealed at one end, which helps build more pressure and intensity during use. Because of this enclosed design, the sensation can feel fuller and closer to the penetrative sex. The second type is the open-ended masturbator, also known as a stroker. It has openings on both sides, making it versatile for both solo and partner play. The open design allows for extra stimulation. For example, a partner can focus on the head of the penis while the toy works on the shaft. Now, let's talk about the features. The most basic ones in the market often have a solid outer casing with a discreet design, sometimes made to look like a speaker or a tumbler. Inside, there's a soft sleeve, usually made from body-safe silicone. This sleeve is often removable for easy cleaning and is designed with different texture to enhance sensation. If you have bigger budget, you can try more advanced options. Some masturbators may include vibration for added pleasure, warming features for a more realistic feel, thrusting or rotating functions for hands-free play, squeezing or tightening effects, and app control, which lets you sync the toy with music, connect it to the interactive adult content, or even allow remote control for a partner anywhere in the world. You might be thinking they're the same as fleshlights, which is another sex toys that we've covered in this series. It's true that masturbators and fleshlights can look very similar. Both usually have, first, a cylindrical body, second, a soft inner sleeve with textures like knobs or ridges, and third, a discreet outer casing. However, the main difference is the design of the opening. Fleshlights are specifically designed to mimic the feel of the vagina or anus, so they come with a realistic-looking entrance. Masturbators, on the other hand, are more flexible in design. They don't have to look like a specific body part. Some are simple and minimal, while others may still be realistic. Lesson 2. How to use a masturbator. Using a masturbator is actually pretty simple. All you need is toys, some water-based lube, and wipes or a towel. Step 1. Add a good amount of water-based lubricant inside the sleeve. This helps reduce friction so everything feels smoother and more comfortable. Avoid oil-based and silicone-based lubes. Silicone lubricant can damage the toy if the sleeve is made of silicone, while oil-based products can cause skin irritation. Step 2. Once you're ready, gently insert your erect penis and move at the pace that feels good for you. If your toy has extra features, you can turn those on to level up the experience. Adjust it based on your preferences. Take a short break, then clean your toy. Each masturbator may have slightly different cleaning instructions, especially if it has electronic parts. So always check and follow the guide that comes with it. Lesson 3. Perks of using a masturbators. If you're considering getting a masturbator, here are the few reasons why it is a solid choice. Number 1, it offers a different kind of pleasure. A masturbator can offer sensations that manual play may not fully provide. With features like pleasure knobs, vibration, or warming effects, it can create a more enhanced and customizable experience. Another important benefit of using a masturbator is that it can help reduce your risk of sexually transmitted infections compared to casual hookups. Of course, nothing replaces real-life intimacy. But if you're looking for a safer, lower-risk option, for sexual release, having a toy can be a great alternative. Number 2, it's made for privacy and convenience. One thing you love about masturbators is that many of them come in discreet designs. Some even look like everyday items, so you can keep them in your room with confidence. There are also portable options like egg-style masturbators. If you want something you can easily bring on trips, these smaller masturbators are convenient, lightweight, and easy to pack. Number 3, it's versatile and can be used with a partner. While most people use masturbators for solo play, there are models designed for couples. For example, open-ended strokers can make it easier for the giver to stimulate their partner, since they can focus on the head while the shaft is getting all kinds of pleasurable sensations. And if you're in a long-distance relationship, there are app-controlled masturbators that allow remote connection. Some models even offer two-way control. Lesson 4. Tips when using masturbators. As for our final lesson, here are some tips to help you get the most out of your masturbators. Tip number 1. Try warming, cooling, or tingling lubricants. One easy way to level up the experience is by using stimulating lubricants. Some formulas are designed to create warming, cooling, or tingling effects, which can make your penis more sensitive or bring more immersion to your solo plays. For example, if you want a sensation that feels closer to vaginal play, warming lubricants can help create that effect. Tip number 2, use condoms if you plan to do multiple rounds. If you want to enjoy multiple sessions, using a condom inside the masturbator can make things much easier. Choose ultra-thin condoms so the sensation still feels as natural as possible. The bonus is that condoms already contain lubricant, and cleanup becomes way simpler since all the fluids are contained inside. You just need to carefully remove the condom and you're ready to play again. Tip number 3, invest in a high-quality masturbator. Our genitals are sensitive, so we need to be mindful of what comes into direct contact with them. That's why make sure you're choosing toys that's made with body-safe, non-porous materials like medical-grade silicone. Non-porous means the material doesn't absorb fluids or bacteria. So when you clean it properly, germs are less likely to stay trapped inside. This is different from porous materials like the jelly or rubber, which can hold onto bacteria even after washing. The good news is there are plenty of high-quality masturbators available in the market, including options from Lauvette. If you're interested, you can check the available selections in the description box. Tip number 4. Good maintenance matters. Proper cleaning and storage keeps your toy in good condition. As I've mentioned earlier, different masturbators may have slightly different care of instructions. So always check the guides that comes with your products. But here are some general tips to help extend their lifespan. First, make sure it's completely clean. All lubricants and bodily fluids should be fully washed off. You can use warm water and mild antibacterial soap or a dedicated sex toy cleaner. Second, make sure the inner sleeve is completely dry. If the sleeve is removable and the instructions allow it, turn it inside out so it can air dry properly. Any leftover moisture can create an environment where bacteria can grow, and in some cases, even mold. Lastly, store it properly. Keep your toy in a clean, dry place away from direct sunlight. This is especially important for electronic models, since heat and sunlight can affect its internal components. Tip number 5. Experimentation is key. You can try different positions, change your pace, or adjust the pressure to discover what feels most pleasurable for you. Everyone is different, so it's all about finding what works best for your body. And that's the end of our class. I hope you learned a lot from this episode. For those who want to get their own masturbators, don't forget to check out www.lauvette.ph if you're in the Philippines, or visit the link in the description box. If you found this helpful, feel free to leave a like, and even better, share your thoughts or tips in the comments about using a masturbator. That's it from me for now. Thank you, take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Love, love, my lovies. Bye!